Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 14. This is Section 3.4, Problem 14. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 1.85 times 4.2. So at first, just ignore the decimals. Multiply 185 times 42, get the answer, and then once you have the answer, you can put the decimal into your answer where it's supposed to go. So start with 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. Then 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 more that you carried is 17. Write the 7, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 more that I carried is 3. So that takes care of the 2. Now I multiply 3 times the 4. So I'm going to go down 1 row, put in a 0 to hold my place. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus the 2 that I carried. 32 and 2 more is 34. So write the 4, carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus the 3 that I carried is 7. Now I can add those results together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 4 is another 7. And then nothing plus 7, I'm getting a lot of 7. So I have as an answer without the decimals 7,770. But now I have to put the decimal where it goes. So go to the question, count the total number of places after the decimal in the question. I have 1, 2, 3 places after the decimal in the question. I need to have 3 places after the decimal in the answer. So if I put the decimal after the leftmost 7, I have 7.770 as the answer. Now, with decimals, a 0 on the far right doesn't really need to be written. 7.770 and 7.77, it's the same answer. So a lot of people would just omit the 0 at the end, or if you do it on a calculator, the calculator wouldn't show that 0 in the end. So it's 7.77 is the final answer.